Intelligence Agency. M15 is the intelligence agency of which country? United Kingdom. Shin Bet is security intelligence agency of Israel. Which of the following is an application of artificial intelligence? Language understanding and problem solving, text analytics, and NLP. MIT is the spy agency of dash. जवाब टर्की. IRC stands for इंटेलिजेंस रेगुलेटरी कोऑपरेशन. CIA किस मुल्क का खुफिया इदारा है? अमेरिका. जेम्स वेब स्पेस टेलीस्कोप was launched into space on 25 दिसंबर 2021. ISI stands for Inter Services Intelligence. How many are provinces in India? 28. SSS is the secret agency of Nigeria. RA was established in 1968. LICAM is the secret agency of Israel. M16 is the name of secret agency. Its headquarters is located in London. CIA is the secret agency of USA. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? Slovenia, Bratislava. M16 is the secret intelligence service of Britain. M15 is the secret agency of Britain. The Israeli intelligence community is made up of Shin Bet, Aman, Mossad, all of these. Which software used by India for surveillance of smartphones belonging to journalists, government officials, and human rights activists around the world? Pegasus. CIA stands for the Central Intelligence Agency. Mossad is the intelligence agency of Israel. BIN is the intelligence agency of which country? Indonesia. Which country launched the satellite Arctica M? Russia. Indian intelligence agency name is RA. Mossad is the secret agency of Israel. Name of Afghanistan intelligence agency is NDS. Qualification of Deputy Chairman NAB is provided in Section 7 of NAB Ordinance 1999. जवाब डबल ए. Section 5 of NAB Ordinance defines quote G. NASA is the space agency of which country? America. Capital of world countries. Juba is the capital of which country? South Sudan. Copenhagen is located in which country? Denmark. Which was the first capital of India before Delhi? Calcutta. The capital of Ottoman Empire was Constantinople. Prague is the capital of Czech Republic. Kwacha is the currency of which country? Zambia. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Capital of Ukraine is Kyiv. The capital of China is Beijing. Which of the following is the capital of Iran? Tehran. Reykjavik is the capital of which country? Iceland. Manila is the capital of which country? Philippines. Which statement is true regarding Maldives? It is smallest Islamic country. Amman is the capital city of which country? Jordan. Kabul is the capital of Afghanistan. Kampala is the capital of which country? Uganda. South Sofia is the capital of which country? Bulgaria. Dhaka is the capital of which country? Is Bangladesh. Taxila was the capital of Gandhara. तुर्की का दारुल हुकूमत क्या है? एनकरा. Bangkok is the capital of which country? Thailand. Madrid is the capital of which country? Spain. Which is the capital of Japan? Tokyo. Saudi Arabia has which sort of political system? Monarchy. Jakarta is the capital of Indonesia. Ottawa is the capital of Canada. Islamabad was officially made the capital of Pakistan in 1960. Which city has overtaken Sydney as Australia's biggest city? Melbourne. Melbourne becomes biggest Australian city by overtaking which city? Sydney. Dash is the biggest city of Australia. Melbourne. Which is the national game of Australia? Cricket. Ulaanbaatar Ulaanbaatar is the capital of which country? Mongolia. Which of the following country has its capital name the same as the country's name? Both A and B. A. Vatican City. B. Singapore. Oslo is the capital of which country? Norway. Santiago is the capital city of Chile. Accra is the capital of which country? Ghana. सऊदी अरबिया के दारुल हुकूमत का क्या नाम है? रियाज. 8. चीन के दारुल हुकूमत का क्या नाम है? बीजिंग. हाउ मैनी स्टेट्स ऑफ श्रीलंका? 9. व्हाट इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ ज़ैम्बिया? लुसाका. 1. व्हाट इज़ द कैपिटल ऑफ वेनेजुएला? काराकस. Vatican is situated in the suburbs of Rome. What is the capital of Vanuatu? Port Vila. What is the capital of Uzbekistan? Tashkent. What is the capital of Uruguay? Montevideo. What is the capital of United Kingdom? London. What is the capital of United Arab Emirates? Abu Dhabi. What is the capital of Ukraine? Kiev. What is the capital of Tuvalu? Funafuti Atoll. Which is the capital of Turkmenistan? Ashgabat.